Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 16, How to Edit and Delete Comments in WordPress. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's comments option. We'll see step by step how to edit and delete comments from your posts in WordPress. So let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, go to the Comments option. You can see all your comments here on this page. You can delete this comment, send it to spam, and quickly edit it. Choose this Quick Edit option and your full comment text opens for editing. Edit the comment as you wish and click on this Update Comment button. It's updated. You can delete the comment through this Trash option. Go to the trash above, and if you want, you can restore your comments again. Click on this All option, and here you can see our deleted comment is restored successfully. Now go back to your site's homepage by clicking on our logo. This is our website's homepage, and we'll move to the Comments section. And here you can see all the comments on your site. So now back to WordPress. If we delete the comment here with the Trash option, you can see the comment is automatically deleted from here. Back to WordPress, and click on this above Trash option. You can delete this comment permanently from here. If you want to delete several, you can select Bulk Options and apply it from this Apply button. So now you don't have any comments in the trash. That's pretty much everything with the comments. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about WordPress themes. We'll see step by step how to search and insert themes on your WordPress sites. See you in the next video tutorial.